step. Take massive determined action step by step. Nike said it best. Just do it.
Oh, I like that.
So, got to get into action. This relates to the conversation we had earlier today, right? When you're in a mindful, very creative mode, you might not be in action mode. So you got to take a step to the side and get into action. You got to put these fantastic ideas, and if you create something like we created an amazing product, the cookie cup line, right? But if we don't get it out into the world, it doesn't matter how amazing it is because it's not in your mouth.
It tastes so good, but you've got to eat it.
Yeah, we got to get it into your homes. We got to get it at your wedding. We got to make sure that it's out there in the world so that people can experience it, so that we can share that little bit of love that we put into every single cookie cup with people. If we're not taking massive action, if we're not on the phone with caterers, if we're not sampling companies, it's not going to get out there. So we really need to get into action in order to share.
So let's run through every cookie commandment. Not the context, but what are they? Cookie. It spells out cookie cups.
It spells out cookie cups. So we have collaboration, optimism, originality, kindness, integrity, energy, creativity, understanding, passion, and step.
I love it. One final word to anyone that's thinking about transcribing their values, what would it be? You have to write it out.
Yes, and I think that you kind of need to shut out your social media world for a little bit of time and just think about who you are as a person. When you die, what do you want people to remember about you? Who were you? Were you passionate? Were you kind? Were you an inspirer? Were you an action-driven human being? Were you creative? Whatever it is that you want to be remembered by, that's what we share. And there are two types of core values. Things that you already honed. There are certain aspects that are like that. And then there are reach core values. Things that you would like to embody, that you want your company to embody. So the 10 values that I shared with you, on some level, I embody them. Some I truly, really intensely embody, and others I really aim to embody on a higher level. And that's why they are the 10 cookie commandments.
Whoever taught you that's genius.
Yeah.